Welcome, boys and girls, to tonight's episode of Don't Drink and Tech. Alright, that's what just came. It looks freaking awesome. Different house, so I don't have any of my tools here. Stickers have not been peeled or messed with at all. The only thing I see is this gigantic dust bunny sitting right here, like, oh, it's coming out. Oh, get it. Oh, get it. What the hell? Hopefully there's nothing else inside of there, but I'm gonna crack this bad boy open. It says, description came as doesn't power on. Like I said, different place, not at my shop, so I don't have a camera set up, so this is all being recorded by phone. The only thing I have is multimeter. I don't have my hot air, so yes, I'll be using my girlfriend's blow dryer to peel the stickers, and that is pretty much all I have right now. But let's see what happens once I open it up. Alright, so I'm just trusting that if someone says it's 100% dead and it won't turn on or do anything, that they mean it really won't do absolutely anything. So let's find out. I want to do that again. Was there a little noise there? Alright, there is a little bit of a noise there, like power's going through. And yeah, so fix that. However, I don't even know where this was, or maybe this was. This is weird, not working in the shop. That'll work. Alright, so I'll take the power supply out, test it, see what happens. My battery dead? Oh God. With barely any tools, so what could go wrong? Good thing I can edit videos, because this video ain't kid friendly anymore. What do you gotta write down codes for Fortnite? some more coat or for Roblox.
Yeah.
I'm just missing things because I'm rushing like crazy because I'm trying to be out of the house in the next 25 minutes. Yo, mama. Nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. 0. Yeah. That's shot. Okay. Do brown for get a regular marker. Just to double check, where'd that plug go? Yep. Power supply bad. So, drink. Wait. Oh, that's gonna kick. All right. Alright, so shut up, yo!
I cannot remember my Roblox password!
cables. Here we go. All right, moment of truth. That's like the corniest thing ever on YouTube. What the hell's the button? Oh wait, camera's pointed. Oh my god. Camera's upside down. Phone's upside down. Just open this. Oh, you motherfucker. And I put this entire thing back together. Oh, what am I doing? Jesus Christ. Might need power.
What an idiot!
Oh my god. For what? Yes, I do. Give me 1 second. I'm finishing up recording the video. Let's fucking get it.
You sure about that?
I still see no signal. Oh, there it goes. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Get it. So, proof is sometimes all you need is a multimeter, screwdriver, and some common sense. And there it is, up and running.